I'm going to do is I'd stamped him on a Post-it note, the sticky bits at the top, and when you cut your mask, cut right on the black line. And I did try and keep his little twig arms in there as well, because I'm going to stamp the tree on that side, and I don't want it to get tangled up because the tree is a bit twiggy as well. It's just a line tree, it's not a full tree. So I want to stamp him around there, but I thought what I might do, just for something a little bit different, is actually silver emboss him. The tree. I shouldn't say him, should I? Right, so I'm going to pop down my embossing buddy first, just so that I don't get silver where I don't want silver. Ah, good morning, Jocelyn. Oh, excellent, watching on YouTube. Fantastic. Must be, oops, hope I didn't spit on it then. Oops, did I say that out loud? I shouldn't say things like that. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to get this one done first, and then I'm going to come back and color, because if I stuff it up, then I can stuff it up before I've colored in. I could color it in first, but then if I stuff it up, then I've wasted all that coloring in. So I'm just wiping off, because I can see that I have got a little bit of Versamark just around the edges of that rubber. So make sure that's all off before I don't want any ghosting on my tree image. Good morning, good morning. There must be a reasonable lag this morning, I think. Okay, so I'm going to pop, oops, wait a minute, his little arms, his little arm has skewiffed. All right, so I'm going to pop this over here and a little bit towards the top. I'm going to leave room for my sentiment down the bottom. Oops, and I haven't got myself prepared. I'm just going to leave that on there while I get my fancy funnel out. All right. Now I think I can take that off. Sprinkle our silver embossing. Maybe grey granite probably may not have been the best to use with silver. I may have needed something a little bit brighter, but anyway, by the time I've coloured him in, we should be right. Right, I have picked up a tiny little bit, so I'm just going to get rid of that and just dust off his body a little bit, because I don't want to have flecks of silver while I'm trying to colour him in. So, and actually it's a good thing being on YouTube. So I'm gonna do some colouring in. So if you are on a mobile device on YouTube, you can pinch the screen and zoom in. So you might like to do that to watch the colouring in. And I'm thinking, oh, pretty. I'm thinking that I might pull out some pencils to do a little bit of over top work. Okay, so let me just heat set this. Whenever you're ready. All right, now it's working. There we going. All right, that is lovely. Just do the back, just try and even that up a little bit. Okay, so I have my silver tree there in the background.